Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to upload and view documents. The document upload feature streamlines recording, keeping, and ensures all patient demographic and medical aid information is easily accessible, improving both efficiency and patient care. There are two methods to navigate to the upload document screen. From the diary screen, click on a desired booking of the patient. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Add Documents button. The Upload Document screen will open. For the second method, click on a navigation wheel. Click on a data segment. The data screen will open. Search for the desired data on the fields or alternatively select the data from the list. The data sidebar will open. Click on an Account Details button. The Account Details screen will open. Click on Uploaded Documents tab. The Uploaded Document screen will open. From here, click on the Upload button corresponding to the relevant document type in Documents Outstanding section. The Document Upload screen will open. On this screen, you are able to upload any sort of documentation for the patients as needed. We will now take a brief look at the various fields and menus within the screen. Document classification will allow you to select the document class between patient status or printouts. Document type refers to the type of documents to be uploaded, for example, medical documents, practice-related, or correspondence. Description will allow you to provide additional details about a document in a text box. You are able to upload your desired documents by clicking on the Choose File button. A File Explorer will open where you can select the desired document for uploading. The Take Photo button will allow you to capture a photograph of the documents you want to upload. The Upload from External Screen button will allow you to upload a document by utilizing our GoodX Capture app. For more information regarding the uploading documents or taking photographs, please refer to the How to Upload an Image Photo user manual linked in this video's description. If you want to delete the uploaded document, click on the Remove Selected File button. Click on the Save button once all documentation has been uploaded. The uploaded documentation will now display under the Save Document section. Click on the View button to take a look at the document. Click on the Upload button to access the document upload screen where you can replace the existing document with your desired one. Click on the Download button to download the document to your local device. Click on a red trash can button to delete the upload that has been done.